All right, this is going to be Hey Jude by the Beatles. We're going to start out, we're going to do these kind of 3-string chords, so it's not too terribly difficult. We don't have to do that full F, we just need to do the 3, 2, 1, kind of mute that bottom one, just kind of by having that one kind of drape down slightly. We're going to go 4 strums on the F, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to the 2, 0, 1 from a C, so those top 3 strings. And then C7 is 2, 3, and 1. And for all these chords, you can kind of have that first finger just kind of draping down and touching that small string, so we don't really need to hear that. So F, C is 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1 is C7, bluesy chord, back to F. Now we have B flat. I like to do B flat kind of with those 3s on top, but you could also kind of do it with all 3 of those. And you could kind of put some 1s and opens on the bottom of these if you wanted to, but it's not really necessary. He's not really doing those on the piano that we're kind of simulating. Back to F, C7 again. And then this is the first ending. We're going to go F, F, F. And that's where he has a chance to say, Hey Jude, for the next verse. So the next verse will be the same 3, Hey Jude, to C, C7, to F, B flat, to F, C7. Now this second ending is going to go F, F, F. We have 2 low chords there at the end, so it's like 1, 2, 3 on the F, and then 4 and then we get into a new thing. So this one is going to be 3, 2, and 4. That's an F7. So if that's kind of crazy to get, you could just try to get that 2, 4. So it'd be 2, 3. And what I'm doing here is 2, 1, 1, and 2, 1 open. But you could just make it simple and go F, 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 1 to open, and then 2 and 4. But if you can get it a little bit fuller than that, it'd be 2, 1, 1 to 2, 1 open, and then 3, 2, 4. That's an F7. Now we're going to go B flat. This is a 3, 3, 1 on the bottom strings. 2 strums of that. We move the bass to the 2 there on the G string. And then to the open on the G string, and then we bring this finger over here to the 3rd fret of the D string. So it ends up being B flat, and then B flat with an A bass. Then this is a G minor 7 with the open 3, 1, and then a G minor 7 with the F bass is 3 open 3, 1. And then we go to our C7, 4 strums, and then we're back to that F for 3. We have that little back into those chords, and like I say, that can be F and just 1 open to 2 and 4 on the 3rd and 2nd strings if you can't get that full thing there, but try that out after a while. And then we have the B flat 3, 3, 1, bass to the 2, A bass there, G bass makes it a G minor 7, F in the bass makes it a G minor 7 with an F in the bass, and then C7. Okay, now we're to the bridge. We're going to go F 3 times. Okay, so we have the whole little walk-up kind of melody. So 3 on the F. And then we're going to take the 2 and the 1 from the 3rd and 2nd strings, go 2 and 1 to 3 and 3 to 5 and 4. Okay, so 2 and 1, and you can use whatever fingers make sense to you to get up into these other things. 2 and 1, 3s, 5 and 4 twice, and then come in first finger on the 5s to 7, 6, 9, 8. Do the 9, 8 twice. So it's pause and you hit that last set again, the 5s, 7, 6, 9, 8. And then we're back to another verse. F, 3, 4. And you can start to add more strums if you want. Kind of like a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Where it kind of started a little bit more mellow than that. And then we're going B flat, F, C7. And then we're going to do that second ending, which is F, 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 and those 2 chords into that F7 chord. So once again, you could go. And then we have that little B flat walking down thing. Back to F. And the little 1 open. Go through all that again. B flat descending. C7, and then we have that bridge. Then we hit the last part again. Okay, back to a verse. 3, 4, F, C, C7. Flat, F, C7, and this time we're going to take a new third ending. It's going to go F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're in the outro. We're going to go, this is the na 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 part. So that's an E flat chord. So we did F for 4. And this is 5, 3, 4, 3. And if that's tough, just try to do a little D shape down here in the 3rd fret. So you'd be like F. Think of a D on the 3rd fret. Just mute the big one. And then B flat is our 3s on the bigger 3 strings. Or, you know, that one. Back to F. And that's our outro that just repeats. That's the fuller one. Okay, so let's go back through and let's do a little play along, easy tempos kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and start with that outro. So we got F, E flat, however you want to do it, B flat, back to F. 3, 4. Here goes E flat. B flat, F, F again, E flat, B flat, okay, let's look at the beginning of the song, the verse again. Hey, F, nice and slow to C. And then the C7 is going to add that 3 in there. And the G string. Back to F. And then B flat. To F. C7. Back to F 3 times. Okay, and then the verse would go through the same things again, but it would end with F 3 times. And then that. So let's try that. F 3 times. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, open. So that F7. And that'll take a little practice, but let's try this new one now. We got the B flat descending 2 each, so 3, 4. C7. And let's jump to that bridge. So we got 3 Fs, and we'll have that. Let's try that. F 3 times, and then that riff. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then again. Okay, I think that's most of the important parts. So Hey Jude by the Beatles. Hope you all dig this. Got a tab with that. We'll talk to you all soon. Thanks a lot.